Now let's get ready to do a little bit of backward skating. This is exciting. We've done a lot of forward skating, so let's reverse it. With backward skating, we're gonna start from the beginning, just like forwards with our marches. So my upper body is pulled up nice and tall. My toes are going to turn in slightly. Stand tall, just like forward marches. Turn your toes in slightly. So now we're gonna use the front of our blades. Bend your knees and ankles, just like forward marchings, and we're gonna start to pick up and slowly march backwards. We turn our toes in to think about using our inside edges. Stand tall, turn your toes in, bend, and we're going to march. As you get more comfortable with backwards marching, we can start to add a little bit of a push. Toes in, bend, march, march, march. Eventually these marches will turn into pushes, and that's going to be a great fundamental for our feature backward stroking. Let's try it from this angle. Turn your toes in, march, march, march. Get your steps bigger, start to push, march, march, march. Start to push outward a bit more as you build some confidence. Another way to travel backwards as opposed to backwards marching are back wiggles. So let's talk about our alignment on our blades again. Think front, back, middle. In this case, we're going to be on the front of our skates, the ball of our feet. Bend your ankles, find the ball of your feet, and we're going to just press our edges into the ice, side to side, and be generally on the flat. So as we apply this downward pressure, we're going to start to wiggle backwards. Eyes forward, bend, make sure no one's behind us, and we're going to press our shoulders against our hips. Bend, wiggle, 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 move your heels side to side. Keep applying that downward pressure onto the balls of your feet so we can keep wiggling backwards. From this angle, bend, turn side to side. Keep pressing on the balls so we can keep traveling backwards. Either method, backwards marching, back wiggles, whichever is easier for you, practice both so you can get comfortable with skating backwards.